So this is our SLO review number 1, and we'll start with factoring. In the world of factoring, we may come across several ways to ask the same question. You might see it written, find the GCF, which means greatest common factor. You might see the prime factorization is. You might see one of the prime factors is. And all of these just mean the same thing, factor. So let's practice each one of these different ways expressing the same thing. Find the GCF. To find the GCF, we look first at the lead coefficient, 21 and 35, and we think about the factors of each one. So the factors of 21 are 1 and 21, 3 and 7. And then there's nothing in between, so that's all of our factors of 21. And the factors of 35, 1 and 35, 5 and 7. Nothing else in between, so the factor that they have in common that is greatest is 7. So that would go outside of our parentheses. We next look at each one of these variables. So we'll start with the x's. X cubed and x have a common factor of x. So notice that is the lower power of the exponents. This x is x to the first. So the x comes out. And then y squared and y to the fifth. Y squared would be the common factor since they both include a y squared. And then we divide. 21 divided by 7 is 3. X cubed divided by x. Subtract the exponents. That's how you know the value of the exponent. And y squared divided by y squared, that's just 1. 35 divided by 7 is 5. X divided by x cancels. Again, that's just 1. And then y to the fifth divided by y squared. Again, we subtract those exponents, and we have y to the third. So this is the factored form. In other words, find the GCF.